Hey guys, what's up? It's Zyler with HandSkate, and today I'm going to be talking about Redemption APE tape. You could grab this on our website right now. This is a foam alternative to the regular HandSkate grip tape. This is abrasive and similar to actual skateboard grip. Some people would prefer a foam alternative. It's super sick. It feels really nice on your fingers. It's definitely a neat option. So today I'm going to help you set it up real quick. I do recommend grabbing a parent for this part. So if you're not like 16, grab your parent. You're going to need a pair of scissors or a file. If you're an experienced fingerboarder, you might have a better way to do this. First step is peel off your grip tape. The trickiest step. All right, there we go. I recommend going directly over our grip tape. It is going to cover all of your screws. So before you do this, tighten up all your screws so that they're as tight as you want them to be. The stickiness of the grip tape combined with you hand skating will hold your screws down, and you'll be good. So just tighten those up. When you're ready, lay the sheet of grip tape on the handboard. Try to be as space-wise as possible. Trying to line it up here. Almost using the camera to help me out a bit. Nice, pat it down. Nice and gripped onto your hand skate there. Take your scissors. This is the part where you need your parent, so be careful. Get a good grip on the scissors, however you think possible to do that. This, make sure you got your grip. And then you just start grinding away at it, like this. Instead of razor blade, just use the file. With the scraping, it'll hold down the grip tape better. If you're a Boy Scout, you might be directly offended by my use of sharp objects. So if you do know what you're doing, do something better than this. As you'll see, the shape of the board is starting to come out pretty nice. Rough, it's not going to be too perfect either, so don't worry about it too much. There we have it. I just finished up my foam grip tape upgrade on my HandSkate incorporated HandSkate. My Redemption Fingerboards APE tape for my HandSkate. Go cop this right now on the website. Hopefully you guys have a good experience setting it up, and let's do some HandSkate tricks. Plah plah.
Releasing the foam grip tape. That's gonna be...
You think? Yeah.